everyone, I'm Sam with Eagle Creek, and today I'll be showing you the Packet Mixed Cube Set, a great option to protect and organize your items both inside and outside your bag. It comes with 3 cubes, the Reveal Medium, Isolate Medium, and Gear Medium. Let's start with the Reveal. All the main body fabrics are made from 100% recycled post-consumer materials and are super durable. It has a mesh front, making it super easy to see what's inside, and this really cool angled zipper design, which, when open, creates this bottom pocket so your clothes don't fall out while you pack, which works whether you fold or roll. The zippers are super durable and self-repairing, so you never have to worry about overstuffing or split zippers. Now, let's move on to the Medium Isolate Cube. It's treated with Protex 2, an antimicrobial agent, which fights odor-causing bacteria for long-lasting stink protection, making it great for your workout or hiking clothes. It's also built with a durable ripstop poly fabric, which is super lightweight and translucent, making it easy to see what's inside. Similar to the Reveal Cube, it has the same really cool angled zipper design, which creates that bottom pocket, making it super easy to pack. This Medium Isolate Cube is even washable and water resistant, making it a great choice to replace single-use plastic bags. And last but not least, the Medium Gear Cube. It's made from 100% recycled, super durable fabric that's treated with a TPU laminate coating, making it highly water repellent. In addition to being recycled, all materials are PVC-free for a safer, more earth-friendly product. The zippers are super durable and PU coated, making them highly water and dust resistant. It has one main compartment, and the puncture-resistant fabric makes it great for things like climbing gear or sharper items like crampons and camping tools. It also has a top zippered mesh pocket, perfect for organizing smaller items while still allowing for visibility. All 3 styles of cubes have these climbing rope inspired pulls, making them super easy to grab and giving it a fun outdoor aesthetic. The Gear Cube also has side handles and snappable loops for quick attachment both inside and outside your bag. The Packet Mixed Cube Set is responsibly built and covered by our lifetime warranty, perfect for any packing need.